You cannot have me. Okay? You're in jail because you hurt me and you cheated on me. You cheated on me, Jojo. How dare you? You cheated on me with another toy. How dare you? No, they can't let you out. I'm never letting you go. But just to let you know that I love you, okay? Come here, baby. Baby, look. I know it hurts, okay? I know it hurts. Baby, listen to me. Listen to me. No. Stop. Ow, you're hurting me. No. Baby. Shh. It's okay. Just relax, okay? Just relax. I'm sorry. I can't love you. I'm sorry. I do love you. I love you so much, but this is not gonna work out. You have to find another toy better than me. I love you. Just give me this last kiss, okay? Come here. Ow, my face. Come here, baby. Come here. Baby, hold on.